Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. You just click here on settings. So then it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps here. You come to apps list, and here you're looking for Zello app. You just click here on search. Then here at Zello app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click here on storage here. So you come to storage list. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store. Click on it here. So then here you search here for Zello app. It's going to show for you like this. We'll find here if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.